Hi guys, today I'm gonna show you how to replace the Cmos battery and resetting the BIOS. This is the Cmos battery, and now we are going to replace it. We go with a screwdriver and the gloves. We take it and we replace with a new one. This is another method to reset the BIOS. We take this and we put on the other two pins for 2 minutes, and then we put it back in its place. The battery instead must remain removed for 30 minutes. That's all. These are two free methods to reset the BIOS. Okay guys, that's all for this video. Thanks for watching and subscribe to my channel for don't miss the future videos.